Ako lang ba hindi may favorite ng lumpiang Shanghai? I don't know, hindi ko talaga feel yung lasa niya. Pero lumpiang toge, kahit may gout ako, lumpiang sariwa yan, favorite ko yung mga yan. Today we are going to try Mama Bing's lumpia. They have cheesy beef, merong spicy tuna, creamy chicken. And dito ako excited cheesy beef jalapeno kasi mahilig ako sa spicy. Woo! Cheesy beef. Oh my God. Ang sarap! Hindi ako nagjo-joke. Tuna. Creamy chicken. Kasang alaking. And this is what I've been waiting for, cheesy beef jalapeno. So yummy.